Hey you all, it is your girl Nova and I am the CEO of 𝘚𝘰𝘤𝘪, and today I'm coming to you all with a skin routine by yours truly's products. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and nip this in the bud. I'm not gonna be talking y'all heads off. All the details of all the products are gonna be on the side of this screen right here, and we're gonna just go ahead and go forth with the video, okay? Okay, so starting off with Divine Kit 2, like I said, details on the top. Boom, there you are. So we have our honey facial wash. We have our Fortuna facial oil. And to top it all off, we have the boom Saturn facial mist, okay? All these lovely products will be pinpointed down below for you to purchase them on your own. And if you want to buy them separately, we have that available as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into this, okay? Alrighty, so now that we have our face wash, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with our Fortuna facial oil, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spots. The reason why I do this is because I know with me, I just wanna make sure that the oil is evenly distributed amongst my whole entire face. Like so. Make sure you get under those eyes, honey. Alrighty, so now that we went ahead and applied the oil to our face, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with our Saturn facial toner. Now, if you want to, you can spray this directly onto your face, or you can use a cotton round and you can apply it directly as well. So there's many options to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it on my face. And just fan that out. And as you see already, that glow, honey, glow. Alrighty, so that wraps up the skincare routine. I hope that this was as informative as possible. I just wanted to make sure that I was explaining what the products are, how to use them, their benefits. I don't want to just push out a product just because. I want y'all to actually see it be in use so you can feel comfortable actually purchasing this. So yes, again, my name is Nova and I am the CEO of 𝘚𝘰𝘤𝘪, and I will be seeing y'all again in more videos. Y'all have a good one.